I'm on Oxford and Mildred, where there is heavy flooding due to a possible water main burst along with the rain here in Southern California tonight. Engine 59 showed up and they're evacuating nearby residences. There is approximately 6 inches of water through the entire intersection and the surrounding streets. The water goes up above the curb, and as you can see behind me, there is an umbrella. You can just see all the trash in the area that came out of the drain. I'm Dylan Tower with Westside TV, and I'll see you next time.